Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Weber Genesis S-415 liquid propane gas grill. I've gone through the internet, specs, and real user discussions to help you decide if this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest highlight here is the build quality and performance. This is a 4-burner propane grill with a total output of around 48,000 BTUs, which gives it plenty of power for everything from slow cooking to high heat searing. From what I've seen, this grill is designed to deliver consistent heat across the entire cooking surface, which is something cheaper grills often struggle with. Now the real standout feature is Weber's PureBlu burner system. These burners are designed with a tapered shape to create even flame distribution, and they're built to reduce clogging by keeping food debris away from the gas ports. In real-world use, that translates to more reliable ignition and more consistent cooking results over time. You're also getting stainless steel cooking grates, which heat up quickly and are highly durable. Combined with Weber's flavorizer bars, this setup helps enhance flavor by vaporizing juices and reducing flare-ups, which is exactly what you want for that classic grilled taste. In terms of space, this grill is seriously capable. You get around 820 square inches of total cooking area, which is enough to cook for large groups. In fact, it can handle roughly 25 to 30 burgers at once, making it ideal for parties or family gatherings. Another thing I like is the overall usability. It has side tables for prep, a warming rack, and a grease management system with a pull-out tray, which makes cleaning much easier. Plus, it's compatible with Weber-crafted accessories, so you can expand it into things like a griddle or even a pizza setup. Now, after digging through real user discussions, the feedback is generally very positive, especially for performance and durability. From Reddit, one user mentioned, "Does more than enough for 25 people." That really tells you how capable this grill is for real-world use. However, there are also a few downsides you should know. Some users mentioned that it's quite expensive compared to other grills, and like most premium Weber models, you're partly paying for the brand and long-term reliability. There are also occasional mentions of minor ignition issues, but those seem to be fixable with adjustments. So here's the honest verdict. If you want a high-quality, powerful, and durable gas grill that can handle large gatherings and deliver consistent results, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. It's built to last for years and offers a very reliable cooking experience. But if you're on a tight budget or only grill occasionally, this might be more than you actually need. Overall, the Weber Genesis S-415 is a premium, high-performance gas grill that delivers excellent heat control, durability, and cooking capacity, making it a great choice for serious outdoor cooking enthusiasts.